Education is a common topic in the IELTS speaking test. Today, I'll share some useful phrases and example sentences on this topic. At the end of the video, I'll share questions to practice these phrases, and you can watch sample answers here. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. 1. Challenging but rewarding course.
Medical school is a challenging but rewarding course that requires dedication.
2. Online classes and digital resources.
Online classes and digital resources have made education more accessible to remote areas.
3. Accessible and flexible learning.
E-learning platforms provide accessible and flexible learning for working professionals.
4. Role in a child's development.
Teachers play a crucial role in a child's development, shaping their confidence and values.
5. Influence confidence and character.
Good teachers influence a child's confidence and character in a positive way.
6. Creative teaching methods.
Creative teaching methods like storytelling and debates make lessons more engaging.
7. Encourage critical thinking.
This professor encourages critical thinking by posing thought-provoking questions.
8. Personalized feedback.
The teacher gave me personalized feedback, which helped improve my essay writing skills.
9. Guidance and support.
With my mentor's guidance and support, I was able to publish my first research paper.
10. Life lessons from teachers.
Apart from academics, he taught us valuable life lessons about perseverance and kindness.
11. Positive and inclusive environment.
The school created a positive and inclusive environment where all students felt valued.
12. Blended approach to learning.
Many universities are adopting a blended approach to learning, combining online and in-person classes.
13. Personalized learning with AI.
AI can help create personalized learning plans tailored to individual students' needs.
14. Disparities in access to education.
Rural areas still face disparities in access to quality education due to infrastructure issues.
15. Government initiatives for education.
Government initiatives like scholarships aim to make higher education more accessible.
16. Hands-on learning experience.
The science lab sessions provide a hands-on learning experience, making the concepts easier to grasp.
17. Interactive teaching techniques.
Interactive teaching techniques, like group discussions, keep students engaged and improve participation.
18. Lifelong learning opportunities.
Online platforms like Coursera offer lifelong learning opportunities for people of all ages.
19. Focus on practical skills.
Modern education focuses more on practical skills like coding and problem-solving than rote learning.
20. Bridging the education gap.
Technology is helping bridge the education gap by bringing online courses to underserved communities.
That's the end of the phrases. Now, let's look at some questions about education. Try to use the phrases we just covered to answer these questions. Do you have a favorite teacher from school? What qualities do you think make a good teacher? Have you ever thought about becoming a teacher? How important do you think teachers are in a child's development? Do you still keep in touch with your primary school teachers? Now we are going to move to part 2. Describe a teacher who has influenced you in your education. You should say who the teacher is, what they taught you, how they influenced you, and explain why you still remember this teacher. Now we are going to move on to part 3. What are the qualities of a good teacher? Do you think students benefit more from traditional classes or online learning? How important is higher education for success? What changes do you think will happen in education in the future? Is education equally accessible to everyone in your country? That's the end of today's video. You can find the link to the sample answer video in the description.